Well, I'm just sitting here a little bored. Entertainment? Let's go over here to YouTube. Oh, I just got a notification. My buddy Dax just put out a new video. Dynomode. It's not a feature. Oh, let's watch this. What? Triggered? I'm not triggered about anything.
I think he might be right about Dynomode and we cannot be able to access it. What's up, Mark? Hey, what's up, Backseat Ball? I just finished that podcast. Oh, right. Dax about Dynomode. You know he's wrong. Listen, we have the password and we know how to put the car in Dynomode. Yes, but I also know the password for service, but that doesn't mean we should put it in service mode. What are you talking about? Dax is wrong. Forget it. We have had access to this since October. Let's go test it out and have some fun. No, we shouldn't do it. It's wrong. Come on. I know an open parking lot. Dynomode, Dynomode, Dynomode. Stop it already. Why are you getting triggered? Dynomode, 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 Dynomode,
Okay, fine.
Dynomode, Dynomode, Dynomode. Dynomode is a thing. They put it there in the notes, okay? Like, let's talk about this here, okay? I have no idea what, you know, Dax, what are you talking about? Listen to this, okay? Let's go here, and I'm going to pull this up and read it word for word. Verbatim, as they say, okay? Triggered. What are you talking about, triggered? Tesla EPA filing for Dynotest discusses the features at length. Tesla Inc. is currently completing the implementation of user interface UI features that enable access to our Dynomode for all users. Representative driving controls while testing on chassis dynometer. Hello? Access to Dynomode will be introduced at the start of production on October 7th, 2019. Okay? 2019, it's already been there. November, December, January. We're now in February. That's more than 3 months already. And how many softwares? How many softwares do we get in December? Dynomode executes the following features. It disables everything, as we know. Force the torque split to be as it would be under normal straight line driving conditions. Disable the brake disc wipe. Hello? Take the disc and wipe it? Hello? Like, I know what that means. Disable active drive line dampening to avoid inducing oscillation in the dyno. So this way the dyno doesn't oscillate. Control the traction. Okay. When the stability control and traction control systems become faulted, as in the case as a dynometer where driving is detected but movement is not, regenerative braking is disabled so that unintended braking torque does not lead to loss of traction or control on low friction surface. Disabling stability control and traction control prevents those systems from disrupting
regenerative braking behavior, maintaining the most representative driving energy consumption. How to do this using the following steps. I'm not going to go through that here because everyone's smart enough to Google and use other forums. I'm not going to do that here. That's not what this video is about. This video is to basically tell Dax who's right here. We are targeting completion of the Dynomode feature for installation in all new productive vehicles October 7, 2019. Over the month of October, we will be rolling out this feature to our US fleet, enabling all Tesla vehicles to enter Dynomode, where someone in China actually drifts with it, which is pretty cool. It goes back basically, obviously, a word of caution: do not use this on public roads. This is not a feature. This is not part of our car feature. This is not in the software that anybody can access, like autopilot that we discussed. This is not really intended for the user. This is intended for when you want to do dyno testing, but it is baked into our system that we have access to. And it would only be for the professional users, professional people that know about it. It leaked out, yes, but it's in all the cars and access. You know, I'm just so tired of it. Like, you sit there and you think, and like, I'm just so angered now. You think like you triggered me? Oh, and I want to make one more note here. I don't wear dresses all the time.